Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of Zora Master electric cargo bicycle. It's not only good for do deliveries but also great to have fun with your kids because it can carry up to 2 children on the rack. And I'm very excited as well as my kids because we can go and ride this bicycle all together. Everything inside packed very well, and it's orange color which I picked. It's a really nice color, bright. That's what I want when I'm riding with the kids. And I already checked the seat right here. Look on the seat, it's so wide, should be very comfortable to ride so long distance as well. And it comes with nice large battery as well, so everything looks good packed. So I'm gonna remove it and to show you how to assemble it. Alright, so this is the bike. Alright, so I'll show you what you need to attach. You would need to attach the stand, the fender, pedals, the front rack if you need it, also the wheel. And I'll show you how to do it. Very easy because it comes with the tools and also owner's manual. So it will give you all the instruction and also 3 amp battery charger which comes with a fan inside. First I will try to attach the handlebar. Usually I do wheel, but the bike stands very well, so I can remove these 4 bolts from the stem. Also the stem is adjustable, and I'll show you how to adjust it. It's pretty simple while I'm removing the bolts. Underneath over here there is a bolt you untighten, and then the stem will go up and down. You can untighten this one a little bit, but there's only one bolt underneath in order to move it up and down, and you lock in to the position you want to. So you would need to remove 4 bolts. I also noticed they use different size of bolts on the stem to attaching the handlebar, most likely for safety. This one is a standard usually they use, but they use extra thicker one on the bottom, which is provide extra safety and better security for handlebar to stay there. So basically make sure you attach this 2 thick one on the bottom and thinner one on the top, okay? And then you reattach it. And try not to tighten them very well because you may want to adjust the handlebar for your convenience. So I just leave them a little bit loose. Alright, so I attach the handlebar, and now I want to give you some tip how to easy way to attach this wheel, because some people have a problem to insert it. So first you would need to remove this bolt and the locking washer from both sides, okay, before trying to attach it. This will make your life much easier. Once you remove the bolt from the wheel, you just lift it up, okay, and over here inside the brake there is protection, plastic one. You would remove it, okay, hold it with one hand, the handlebar, and insert the wheel. Now you can put this locking washer on and tighten up the bolts from both sides. Since it comes with a very solid stand, which you have to attach by yourself, it's a little bit challenging because I didn't want to flip over the bicycle. That would be probably the best idea if you're inside the home, or protect the handlebar and the display, but I decided to put it on the side safely and attach it. So you would attach this way with the same bolts you just removed. So I'm gonna use this foam underneath, okay, to lift up the bike, okay, so it will give me more space to attach the stand. Now it's time to attach the pedals. It's easy to attach, just make sure you attach right to the right. You'll see a letter R over here and at the letter L, so right, going to the right one, and usually I do it by hand. You can use the wrench to tighten up just a little bit because it will tighten by itself, and you do the same thing on another side. Alright, so now it's time to attach the fender and the light. First you would need to remove this bolts from the fork from both sides, Okay, you remove them. Then second, you would remove also one bolt over here, which holding the light. Okay, and then you would insert the fender from behind over here, and you would just reattach with the same nut you removed. You just reattach. Okay, then you use the same bolt you removed and the washer to reattach from the bottom over here. You can try to do with hands first. I'll just reattach this Allen key, and you do the same thing from both sides. And you can tighten on the top and make sure the headlight is aligned. I think this bolt need to be loosened a little bit so you can move this the light straight, and that's it. That option was only if you want to attach headlight over here with no basket. If you're thinking to attach the front rack, then the headlight have to go on the front rack attached, and you use this bolt, just attach this mud guard. And I need to check to see if there's another bolt to attach the headlights. It might missing because it does need some bolt in order to attach headlight. So I'm gonna check it out and see if it's available. And to attach the rack, front rack, you need to remove these 4 bolts and reattach the front rack. And I noticed these holes are kind of tight, so I would just screw in them a little bit and then attach to the frame. Okay, you can do by hand or with a tool. I would not put all the way just like this, and I use outside holes. Okay, now I attach the front rack with 4 bolts, and headlight I'll wait until I receive the front basket. I got also front basket, and I'll post front basket on the top of it, and then I'll attach this headlight. I'm not sure if it's going right over here, most likely, but I don't have a bolt in order to attach it, so I would need to contact Zora to see. It might come with a basket actually, and I remove this to plastic which wrap around, so the cable will be much longer. And the bicycle almost assembled. I'm gonna go and wait for the front basket. While I'm waiting, I will charge my the battery, because it needs to be fully charged for the first ride. Second, I'm gonna wait also for the fence for the kit, and it should come with a nice soft seat as well. I'm not sure, the box didn't have it, so I guess it will come in the mail separately. And I will do adjustment on the stem because it looks like kind of low for me, so you would unscrew underneath and move it up, and then I will retighten everything. Also, I recommend to use torque wrench, and it comes inside with all the information you need, how much torque millimeters every piece when you bolt it, so you will have all the information right here, and it's great. So everything inside, you can do it by yourself, or you can take any local shop, they can do it for you assembly, which I recommend if you are never assembled the bike before, because the safety it's #1 priority, and local shop can do it and follow the book. It should be very easy. The basket arrived separate with a fence, and I'll show you how to install it based on these pictures. So it was pretty easy to install as long as you know how. And here's how you do it. So you attach this 4 H letters stands to the frame of the basket with the bolts, it's included, and then you can see it will be like this. Then you would attach the bottom of the basket, and now your basket is assembled. Next step, you need to attach this basket to the rack which came with the bicycle for free. Also, before attaching, you would need to attach headlight, so you would need to have the bolt. I'm not sure if my bolt was missing just accidentally, or maybe they forgot to put it in, but you can contact Zora and they will probably send you one. Once you attach the headlight to the rack, now you can put the basket on top of it and tighten with the 4 bolts it came with. It's pretty simple. If you order the fence for the kids, then you will need to assemble with these 2 rods attaching to this fence. Next step, you would remove these bolts from this wood, and then you place the fence on top of the rack, and then you put the wood panel on top of it, and then you would reattach this wood panel on top of it with the same bolt you just removed. Also, you should receive in the mail the soft seat, which is supposed to come for free, but they sent it at the end of June, they told me, so you might receive a little bit later. And that's how your bicycle will look with the extra basket you're gonna buy, and also the fence for the children's. You can also attach carry bag on the back or different attachment to check the accessories to see what they have available. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a safe ride.